Nothing will work unless you do. My life is my message. Don't raise your voice and prove your argument. Those who realize their folly are not true fools. Grow through what you go through. In life, you need either inspiration or desperation. Think like a proton, always positive. No rain, no flowers. Do small things with great love. Courage, dear heart. Life is tough, but so are you. Be curious, not judgmental. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Time moves in one direction, memory is another. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.